Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be looking at the highly anticipated iPhone 12 series. The dummies which I hold here may not be 100% accurate, but it gives us a good understanding of what to expect from Apple's new arrivals in September. The units which I have today represent the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. There are 4 devices within the series. The one that I do not have is the iPhone 12 Max, which shares many physical attributes to the iPhone 12 Pro. Their only difference is the camera lens. Both the 12 and the 12 Max have a dual camera lens, in comparison to the Pro and the Max Pro that will support 3 camera lenses and a LiDAR sensor. However, the way in which they are situated on these dummies will differ to what they will actually be on the iPhone 12 lineup. I think the variation in size is a fantastic element within this range. During the constant evolution of smartphones, the size of them has increased, which hasn't always been to everyone's taste, so having an extensive size range is a beneficial factor. The iPhone 12 is 5.4 inches, the Pro is 6.1 inches, which is also the expected size of the Max, and the Pro Max comes in an astonishing 6.7 inches. The iPhone 12 size meets in the middle of the iPhone SE 2016 and the iPhone SE 2020. Apple has once again improved the way you'll be able to record video and take pictures via your phone. Both the Pro and the Pro Max have a wide lens, telephoto lens, ultra-wide lens, and the new rumoured element that is LiDAR. This will drastically elevate the performance within AR apps. Here is an iPhone SE 2016 compared to the new iPhone 12. As you can see, they hold many similarities, one of which is the flat edging. Many have said that having this feature makes it easier to hold and increases your grip of the phone, in comparison to having the curved edges as seen on the iPhone 11, which may affect the way in which the device feels when placed in your hand. The flat sides are also found on the iPad Pro, which is the newest of the iPad collection. Looking at both the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12 Pro side by side, it looks as though their screen size is fairly similar, though the iPhone 11 handset itself looks slightly larger. I believe this is a result of the phone's curved edging. There is a slight difference in the thickness of these handsets. The iPhone 12 series depth is more matched to the iPhone SE 2016 than it is the iPhone 11. The notch on the soon-to-be-released iPhone seems to be slightly smaller, which allows the screen to look bigger for when watching content from your phone. The dummies do not accurately promote the glass rear of what is expected from the new iPhone lineup, but you can see from this iPhone 12 Pro model there is a vague indication of what the glass will look like. The external buttons and the input locations are almost identical to the iPhone 11 series. The iPhone's lock button is located on the right-hand side of the handset. Positioned directly opposite is the volume adjustment buttons. There were rumours that Apple were going to switch from the Lightning to the USB-C input, which would be more universal, though by looking at these models it seems that the Lightning port will continue on through to the newest iPhone releases. If you have any questions regarding the iPhone 12 dummies that are featured today, please ask away in the comment section below. If you have enjoyed what you have seen today, please hit our subscribe button, where you will find more content regarding mobile accessories and tech reviews. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.